Stratasys is shaping the world around us. From 3D printed rapid prototypes and design freedom, to manufacturing innovation and production-ready solutions. We believe that what starts with the spark of an idea can now become reality. We see opportunities all around. The products, solutions, and services being developed within our walls today are changing the way things will be imagined, designed, and made tomorrow. Stratasys 3D printing solutions allows us to tap into the unlimited imagination and potential within each of us, helping designers, engineers, and manufacturers transform their capabilities and accelerate their progress across virtually every industry. Stratasys is shaping young hearts, planes with purpose, helping explore the next frontier, accelerating progress, manufacturing earth-friendly efficient designs, and delivering power and energy to the world. Stratasys empowers the dreamers to dream, inventors to invent, doctors to heal, and industry to grow. We are shaping innovation, creativity, discovery, education, imagination, and the possibilities of tomorrow.